We're here at the Kerala Gig Fest in Kozhikode, and you can see miles and miles of books and miles of people. It's a really wonderful fest. But here, from the stage of the Kerala Gig Fest, we had Shashi Tharoor earlier today being asked about his differences with the Congress Party, and he said he was unapologetic about the position he took on Operation Sindoor, and as he saw it, that was the only point of difference. Now, given that Shashi Tharoor and books are almost synonymous, we thought no better a place than put to the people of Kerala the question, what is going on between Shashi Tharoor and the Congress Party? Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. What is your name?
My name is Louis.
Okay, hi. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Are you following the fight between Shashi Tharoor and the Congress?
Yes, I am.
What do you make of it?
On one hand, I admire because so much flawless achievements come from my constituent Trivandrum.
Okay.
And in so many ways, we all in India, we admire him. But I am usually disappointed by the fact that he's fighting with the Congress.
Why are you disappointed? You wish they weren't fighting.
They weren't fighting and that he was not, he's now kind of appearing as if he's like raising side. This is very disappointing.
So here at the Lit Fest, he says that he hasn't done it too long, that he took a position on the military conflict with India, between India and Pakistan, and he's not apologetic for that. What would you say to Mr. Tharoor? What would you like to see?
I would say again I would say like I like all his achievements. But I don't like the fact that he seems to be supporting the opposing party.
And what would you say to the Congress Party who's been accused of not using him enough, not giving him enough work?
Probably we should have been given more chances, but at the moment, based on the situation in the country, it doesn't seem much possible because they are not in power anyway. So,
well, you enjoy your books, and thank you for listening to us.
Thank you very much. I came just to see you on this show.
Oh, thank you so much.
Trivandrum.
Thank you so much. By the way, since you're from Trivandrum, the BJP has a mayor there. What do you say about that?
That was also, I just don't feel very happy about.
So you're not a BJP supporter?
I'm not.